ki khubor ka bate si TV rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khatn reus Snem ya ka Jingpynkhreh ka jongka baden ais ngo bhasha baro kinong thi thuk thuk ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali gi laptop kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hoteri unai lur 8000 pusau
Kekiang nang ba Government College Joai Clara K 58 Foundation Day ba pelipat baru you integrated teacher education program belas dang nado kakar atri urisau arajar pholai Hagani gasngi dan lang menteri ketenaga puliputi ke Sarkar Jilla urakam E Sangma UMLA ke Amlarem ba chief advisor ke Sarkar Jilla ba Lakmen Rembui UMLA Joai ba Wailat Miki Shilla Beradvisor ketenaga puliputi ba HM Shangpulyang hagajingalang ke belong hapo auditorium ke college hakatnyo trek unai lur arajar phosau Uminti ketenaga puliputi urakam E Sangma hagajingkren ula ai ke jingaro yekini ke jaka puli halu ke jingno senyang ba ke jing shimkhia ban kinti ke puliputi ke bashajrong shakani ke than Urakam hapen pa log NEP araja arpau ulom bagade ke sinjam keberan jing thmu keblashna khnang wan Jingpynkhreh ke Samla puli na ke benta ke Jingeh jong Spah Snem ke arpawe
The more than 130 plus vacancies across the state in the higher education. With the government college, with the university, the B.Ed college, and different diet, the more than about 130 plus vacancies. And the order formality is almost completed, and we are going to issue the advertisement very soon. And we will make sure all the vacancies are filled at the very earliest. And we will also make sure about these auditoriums and our extension building, but we have to give times to process. Education is the only way forward to make ourselves a matured and a dynamics as we move forward. In our state, we are the highest dropout rate in the country. It may be for various reasons and various factors. Therefore, Government of Meghalaya, with all involvement of the stakeholders, we have initiated Back to School campaign program. I was telling to the press people that, look, there are many beautiful boys and girls. If they are not able to write and read, they will feel embarrassment. Therefore, every individual, every citizen, every teacher, every official will take responsibility to encourage, to inspire, to work to bring all these boys and girls, beautiful boys and girls, bring back to the schools. I was telling. Then somebody asked me, sir, what about the ugly people? And he insisted me, so what about ugly people? You don't need to give them education? So I don't have any reply, but I just quoted from the scripture. The scripture says, God created the earth and all creation wonderfully. There is no word ugly in the dictionary of the God creation. Therefore, we are all made beautiful and unique for every one of us. Therefore, somebody may talk about you are beautiful and not the beautiful. But the values of life, the quality of our life makes you always a difference. Therefore, the education will really make our society, our people, our individual wonderful and beautiful. Today, as we celebrate 50 years of our Foundation Day, it's time to recall the contribution of our forefathers, the contribution of finance of this college. And many may not be here with us anymore. But the individual, the leaders, the one who has engineered, the architect, the one who has designed this entire setup to have this college will be the first person to be satisfied today, and he will be filled overjoyed. And to see the fruit of this level and its integration today, I am sure this college in the last 57 years, in the last 58 years, this college has produced a numerous individual who are serving with different position at different level in the various walk of life. They have served the society as a politician. They might have served the society as a teacher. They might have served the society as a pastor, as a father, as a forest priest, as a businessman. But thanks to Almighty that God bless for us the pious leaders of our community, of our state, to have this college. Therefore, would like to thank on behalf of the government, the pious leaders, the past principals, the professors, the lecturers, and also would like to congratulate all the young people, those who have graduated and serving the society. My dear friends, as our Honorable Chief Minister, as all of us desire to take our state forward. In fact, the vision of our Honorable Chief Minister is to make our state is one of the top, best 10 top states in the country. In all respect, be it the economy, be it the law and order, be it the education, be it the finance, in all respect. But many things to be done. But I am sure, under dynamic leadership of Honorable Chief Minister and under the able leadership of Honorable former Education Minister of our state, Balakben Rumbai, today, I am happy to tell you many milestone decisions has been taken in last 5-6 years during this MDA government. My dear friends, all the government college in the state has received all the new building. All the higher secondaries, government higher secondary schools, institutions of our state has received already constructed a new buildings. 21 number of people college grant has been sanctioned. More than 300 plus sanctioned posts. Many transformations has been taken place, my dear friends. All this has been done. It is just to support our community better. Teachers, always called as architect of our society. Through the IT courses, we aim to train teachers who are not only well versed in the subject but also equipped with pedagogical skills and ethical grounding necessary to inspire and lead the students in the 21st century. The course is a direct response to National Education Policy 2020, which emphasizes holistic and multidisciplinary courses education and the vital role of the teacher in nurturing critical thinking, creativity, and innovative in students. These IT programs and many programs to be coming in reply and response, the reaction to the adoption of the NEP 2020. My friends, the NEP 2020 is to make our nation at the global stage. Let this college, the testament of this college, be the model that talks about a binding together, reaching out to the people and sending to the masses. My dear young students, as you graduate from this college, be it students, be it degree students, when you go out of the college, the world, the community, the society is waiting for you. As you go out, let your testimony be the model of your educated individual. Let this college be the testimony and the model in producing the right and very brilliance and that serve the purpose in designing, in creating a further, a better human being. Let this college be known for the testimony, for all this, for all the good things that as an individual have to do.